Hi, this is Gypsy, and today she will be running very fast because she's a very fast runner for a dog. Look how pretty she is. All right, Gypsy, it's time to shine. All right.
Hey, girl. Come on, girl, get it, get it. Come on, girl, come on, come here, come here. Good girl.
Now, do you want to do a second throw?
Yeah, sure.
All right, Gypsy, this is your second, so make it your fastest. Second always like is fastest,
Gypsy.
I've heard.
Get it, girl. Get it. Hey.
She can't find it.